So, with everyone harassing me about getting onto this whole YouTube thing, I kind of went okay and gave into the peer pressure of it. Yeah, just casually stood under a C63. But I'm here at Prestige Performance London, and I wanted to do this before I got the quicksilver exhaust just to see what was going on, but I want to dyno it because a lot of my friends who have M140s or who have high powered cars were just going, your car's stupid quick, and had always thought that there was a little bit more to it than what the book states, which sometimes if you're lucky you can have that a little bit extra, sometimes a little bit under. But oh, she's moving, but I bought it to get dynoed. So before we actually start on dynoing my car, I'm going to show you what Prestige Performance London have. This is their absolutely stunning 6750T. It's really, really pretty. And this is their Aventador SV. Good pair of cars to have, I think. I'm impressed with that.
Yeah. 340 on there.
335 is what they say.
Then cool down a bit, and then we'll do 2 more runs, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
See the average.
Yeah. So we're going to do 3 runs and get the average. I've used Tesco Momentum 99 for all the little picky bits. I didn't use V-Power for the last 2 times I filled up. It's been Tesco 3 times. 3 times only. So yeah, we're going to do like 3 runs and get an average, but first run I'm happy. 353, 352, 355. Yeah. 520 newton meters of torque. So this is done at the flywheel. And then obviously you've got the wheel power there as well. But well happy. So a massive thank you to Prestige Performance London for dynoing my car. I'm well happy. My friends had always gone in my car and gone, this doesn't feel like normal, because it's not. That's without any maps, nothing, no JB Plus, nothing. So there's the first video on my M140, a little bit extra info for you. The only thing that's been done is my catback system from Quicksilver. Other than that, it's all completely standard. So really happy. Let me know what you thought of the video. Oh, by the way, can I also just say my exhaust does crackle and pop. It's not artificial and it's not like all tuned in as a map or whatever. As gurgly as an A45 or anything, but it sounds good. So anyone who critiqued my exhaust on the video that it doesn't crackle and pop, what's the point? It does. But yeah, more videos to come. Let me know what you want to see, if there's anything in particular about the car you want. Oh yeah, everyone goes on about the cognac brown leather, so here you go. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.